In this video, we're going to show you how to create bundle offers with AI. This is a great option for beginners that need some help with ideas on what kinds of offers they should make for their bundles. So in order to get started, go ahead and navigate to bundles and then click create bundle. Then scroll down and click this button, create using AI. Now we're going to be led into the bundle editor. And then at this point, you can switch between these tabs. We'll go back to AI Wizard. Now I want to select a product. So let's select this red light therapy wand. And now we want to put in our cost of goods sold, or COGS. Typically a good ratio is you want your cost of goods to be about 30% of your total sales price. If we were selling this for $60, we would want our cost of goods to be no more than $20. So just put 20 here. The amount of offers we want to create, say we want 3. The primary color we want to use and the accent color. We can choose to add a product upsell to one of these offers. So we're going to select that and we can choose what product to upsell. Say we want to upsell the Crystal Smooth Hair Eraser. Of course, we got to put the COGS for that as well. Let's say it's $10. And then we have the option to add a free gift. So we'll add a free gift as well. And say the free gift that they get is shipping protection. Okay, then you click generate AI recommended offer. And just like that, you have a bundle offer on the side. You can interact with this, any part of this, and then whenever you're ready, you can publish it or you can save it as a draft. And of course, you can fully customize anything about this bundler once you have generated it and saved it as a draft.